Short dictation for beginners from volume 1 of Kailash Chandra, transcription number 2. Hereafter, this form of revenue surplus would not be available. We have therefore to find out ways and means of implementing our great program of national reconstruction at minimum cost. My point is that the deficit of revenue account would be of the order of about rupees 19 to 20 crores. Here let me point out that I do not agree with those of my friends in the finance department who have attempted to suggest that rupees 9 or 18 crores which are obtained from Pakistan should be put to the revenue side of the budget.